Yeah, we can't do this alone, Tony. So it's important to have partners, good partners that are integrity-minded, that make great products that help our customers. You know, once we build the machine, but the products help the customers make the part better too.
Well, look at this event. Look at all these people. I am actually here with Batman. Michael Keeling, not Michael Keaton. Probably even better than Batman, let me be honest. Mike, it's good to see you. It's good to be a part of this event. It's good to be a part of the YCM Alliance. We have some messages that we would like to convey today to this audience watching, this global audience, but certainly the massive domestic audience that's watching you. So what message would you like to immediately convey before we invite the guys and gals down to the floor to talk about some of this technology?
Well, first, Tony, thank you for being here. Thank you for your team to be here. It's a very exciting time for YCM. This is our grand opening event at the Michigan Tech Center. So really what we're trying to show is that, well, first, YCM's been in the United States for 50 years, okay, but we've never had a technical center. And we wanted to be in the heart of automotive and in the heart of mold making and in the heart of where beautiful components are made and where there's a lot of high-end technology, because YCM has high-end technologies and we can meet that demand. So, but the event is just to let people know that we're here. And they've, like I said, we've never really had a technical center. So, but we're here to stay, and it's a great day. We started yesterday. We'll be finishing up today, and hope to get a lot of excitement, which we already have out there. So yeah.
Should we invite the folks that are watching right now down to the floor and look at some of these machines? We've already kind of given the advertisement of how excited everyone is and the technology that's here. I say we head down there.
Absolutely. What are we waiting for?
All right, Mike, we made it downstairs. We made it to the excitement. We made it to the conversations. I hope they can hear us because it's so loud down here. So let's take a walk and talk to all of the technology. First, starting with this beautiful TRIMILL here. Should we start walking?
Absolutely.
So do you have any, I guess, details or conversation pieces when it comes to TRIMILL? Because we had a really great story come from this, and I was excited to learn about the technology. What would you like to say about it?
Yeah, TRIMILL is a partner of ours out of the Czech Republic. They make some very, very beautiful designed machines. One of the main concepts that makes TRIMILL really unique is their rigidity. And that's one of the main factors why we wanted to make sure we had it here in the technical center, that in the heart of Michigan, as I said, an automotive country, because when you're doing these heavy molds, these heavy dies, you want to make sure that you have rigidity. And so we have some beautiful test pieces really showcasing what the machine is capable of. TRIMILL is just a very unique builder. They have some very unique designs in terms of their casting. The columns are made out of concrete, box-in-box structure. So we're very excited that our partner from TRIMILL is here, Pavel and Michael. So they've been helping us tremendously with talking to customers and really getting the awareness out on the brand, because they hadn't had a presence here in the United States before, but everything we're doing is about, our motto is about making it better together, right? And these machines can make some of the best parts, in our opinion, in the industry.
Well, you're already making this conversation better together, so thank you for that. I just want to say hi to you again and just let the audience see your face so we know who we're talking about when we talk about our friend Pavel.
Hello everybody, thank you for coming, thank you for watching. Thank you.
Absolutely, great Czech machine. We did some dance moves, we had some fun, we talked about the concrete, the real stability. The fact that this machine, from what I learned, Mike, which blew my mind, is a roughing machine that has high RPM, can actually guarantee 6 micron or less, and that's not even the finishing machine. It blows my mind. But we have details on that for everyone who's watching right now. There's other videos we put together here with the YCM Alliance that'll allow them to have these conversations and learn more details about these machines.